Sourcing parts is a nightmare for every manufacturer all over the world. They lack manufacturing flexibility, spend millions waiting for quotes, and changing between suppliers and technologies to scale production. Global changes have revealed the weakness that lies at the heart of current supply chain models.
In order to create flexible supply chains, reduce hidden costs, and adapt quickly to real-time shocks, we have developed the fastest cloud manufacturing platform for manufacturers to produce parts on demand at the lowest cost and scale production in one click.
Triditive's proprietary automated additive manufacturing technology enables mass production of polymers and metal parts and makes the process of sourcing and producing your parts easier. Triditive empowers manufacturers to easily make instant quotes, send to production, manage orders online, track deliveries, and share important details with others on their teams real time to reduce errors and delays in the manufacturing process. It is a comprehensive system that makes additive manufacturing an efficient solution for high-volume production environments, so they can focus on creating more and innovative products to improve people's lives. For the first time, it is possible to scale production with automated additive manufacturing.